This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. Today, one of your students asked me how to import a CAD file into Revit and how can I work on the line drawing. So I thought I'll give a very small video and sort of a demo video that how can you do it and how you should not do it. That is my idea. So basically, this is the Revit. All the Revit users know this concept of entering through Revit default metric template. And here you have 4 viewports, and it's open here. Now, what you're supposed to do is you have to go to insert, and then in insert you should go for link CAD. Don't go for import CAD. That will be a mess. Go to link CAD. Please go for link CAD. Link CAD. Please remember link CAD, not import CAD. Go to link CAD and select one of the um, plan CAD plan and link it. Just link it. Don't import it. So now you have this plan in this level. Level 1 has that level 1 plan and it is laying down here. As usual, you all know how to create wall and all that. I'm not going to teach you all that. So you can consider this. Okay, so up to level 1, up to level 2. Level 2, and then finish face interior, select like this. From here, you can just draw the walls like this. So you can continue like this. Okay, so you can continue drawing the wall like this, and that's all. So once you do this, you can go to 3D and see how wall is drawn on top of the plan. The plan is laying down there intact, and here the wall is there. You can see I'm not getting into detail of how to add window and door. I'm just trying to show you. You can add a window, you can DR, you can type a door, add a door wherever required. Not going according to the plan. I'm just trying to show how you can do that. So this is really simple. If you have a AutoCAD plan linked into Revit, I'm repeating it, linked into Revit. Don't try to import CAD drawing. Please only use link. Okay. Now, once you do this, the CAD file will remain uncluttered. It will remain as it is together. It won't be a separate line drawing. So it is uncluttered. It is lying down there. It is available in every level. Whichever level only you want, it will appear. This is basically you're seeing it because it's an underlay. So it's easy to manage. Basically, it is very easy to manage. Now, how will we manage the link? Okay, so if you go to the same insert, first we worked on link CAD. Here you have manage link. If you go to CAD format, you will find the CAD drawing lying down here. And it's kilobyte, how much, what and what it is. Okay, so it is a link. It is not a import. It is a link. Now, how do you differentiate a link? Now, if I go to AutoCAD, okay, and open that very same CAD drawing, and maybe for fun I'm trying to add one tick here from here to here, and I'm trying to save it. If you come to Revit, if you go to manage link and go to CAD format, Okay, so this link can be updated. This link can be updated. If you say reload and give OK, you will find the new tick which I added in the CAD appearing in this area. Okay, now it means you can work on the plan and you can work on the Revit simultaneously without clashing at each other. You cannot touch this link drawing and do anything. No harm. You cannot do any harm to the CAD file from Revit. That is the best part of it. Understood? Now this is how link work. Okay, so again I'm telling you, you are going to insert link. CAD is how you bought this file here, and manage link is how you click on manage link, go to CAD format and select this, and reload is how you update the link. Okay, so now question about removing it. How will I remove? Okay, I no longer need this plan. I am done with my 3D model. I want to remove the plan. Go to manage link, CAD format, select this plan and say unload and remove. Give OK. There you are. You only have your Revit plan. You'll only have the Revit plan. No disturbance of the CAD plan. No clashes. No unwanted things in the Revit project. Very handy. So that is the advantage of using link CAD. Okay, so now what if you wrongly do import CAD? I initially gave a warning, don't do import CAD, only do link CAD. Okay sir, I want to know what will happen if I do import CAD. Now I'll click on import CAD. I'll click on electrical drawing. It comes there. Okay, because earlier I had placed that and drawn that. So this is the import CAD. You know what's the problem here? So here in manage link you don't find it first of all, so you cannot update the drawing. And sometimes, not always, sometimes this will act funny while deleting. Sometimes if it is unknowingly exploded, it will all become bits and pieces. Then you will have to delete things line by line, which is very hard for you. So import CAD you cannot update. If there is a change in plan, it cannot be updated in Revit. You will have to delete this drawing and re-import this drawing, which is a big mess. So it's better that you use link CAD and manage link and do whatever you want to do, and finish with your Revit work. Okay, and the rest of the advantage of using Revit I've already told many times in class, so I don't want to run this class forever. So I'm telling you, if you want to bring in a CAD drawing into Revit and work on it, use link CAD and don't use import CAD. Never import CAD. Only link CAD and manage link. That's all. So that's for today. Thank you. See you tomorrow.